Welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a pair of bookshelf speakers, whether you're upgrading your sound system or setting one up for the first time, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best bookshelf speakers in 2024, carefully chosen for their sound quality, value, and performance. So, if you're ready to bring your music and movies to life, stick around. And, of course, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the best deals on these amazing speakers. Let's get started with number 5. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Elac Debut 2.0 B5.2. If you're looking for a solid budget option that doesn't skimp on sound quality, these speakers are a fantastic choice. Featuring a sleek black ash vinyl finish, these speakers not only look great, but also boast advanced technology for superior sound performance. The 1-inch soft dome tweeter with wide roll surround takes your audio experience to the next level, extending the frequency response up to an impressive 35,000 Hz. Whether you're listening to high-resolution tracks or streaming your favorite playlists, every detail is crystal clear. The integrated waveguide enhances directivity control and minimizes the unwanted diffraction typical of traditional speaker designs. Feel the music with the 5.25-inch woven aramid fiber woofer. This material is not only stronger than conventional polypropylene or paper cones, but also allows for a smoother, more extended low-frequency response. The result is deep, punchy bass that doesn't overwhelm, but perfectly complements the mids and highs. Designed with thicker MDF and internal bracing, the cabinets are larger and sturdier than ever before. This reduces unwanted vibrations and resonance, ensuring the only sound you hear is the one intended. The front-firing bass reflex port also allows for flexible placement, even in tight spaces like bookshelves, without sacrificing audio performance. Building on the success of the original Debut series, the Elac Debut 2.0 B5.2 has been completely redesigned for even better performance. From the tweeters to the woofers, every component has been engineered to deliver a more dynamic and balanced soundstage. Experience music and movies like never before with speakers that raise the bar for bookshelf audio. With its new tweeter design and improved woofers, the B5.2 delivers clear highs and detailed mids, making it great for small to medium-sized rooms. Plus, its compact design makes it a sleek fit for any setup. The Elac Debut 2.0 B5.2 proves you don't have to break the bank to enjoy premium sound quality. Coming in at number 4, we have the Audiophile S1000 MKI, our pick for the best value. Known for delivering high-end performance without the high-end price tag, the S1000 MKI offers a mix of power and precision that's hard to beat. Designed for audiophiles and general users alike, these powerful speakers combine advanced technology and sleek design to deliver an unmatched listening experience. With a high-efficiency Class D amplifier built right in, the Audiophile S1000 MKI pumps out 60 watts per speaker, totaling an impressive 120 watts. This means no external amplifier or receiver is needed. Just plug them in and enjoy powerful, crystal-clear sound instantly. With a frequency response of 45 Hz to 40 kHz, these speakers offer deep, rich bass and crisp, detailed highs. The 5.5-inch aluminum alloy mid-range bass driver and the 1-inch titanium dome tweeter in each speaker deliver a balanced and immersive soundstage, perfect for everything from music to movies. Featuring Bluetooth 5.0 with Qualcomm aptX HD, the S1000 MKI allows for seamless wireless audio streaming from compatible devices like your phone, tablet, or laptop. Enjoy high-definition sound with minimal latency and exceptional clarity. Whether you're connecting your speakers to a TV, laptop, smartphone, or Blu-ray player, the Audiophile S1000 MKI offers multiple input options, including optical input for a clean and direct signal. This makes them ideal for general usage in any home entertainment system. This pair of speakers comes with Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring easy wireless connection for all your devices, and the sound is nothing short of immersive. Expect crisp highs, solid mids, and enough bass to give your room a cinematic feel. All in all, it's an incredible value for those looking to get a great sound experience without splurging. At number 3, the KEF LS50 takes the mid-range crown. These speakers are designed with music lovers in mind, offering outstanding clarity and a natural soundstage that's perfect for both music and movies. Whether you're upgrading your stereo system or building the perfect home theater setup, these speakers provide exceptional clarity, depth, and precision. With a cabinet that's 25% larger than previous models, the KEF LS50 delivers a more expansive soundstage and deeper bass, making them perfect for music lovers and home theater enthusiasts alike. The 5-inch bass driver and 0.9 tweeter work together to produce rich, balanced audio with precise high-frequency details. Designed with practicality in mind, the 3020i speakers feature low-profile, binding posts and recessed cutouts to reduce cabinet noise. This makes them easy to shelf mount or stand mount near a rear wall, giving you flexible placement options without compromising performance. The KEF LS50 uses P2P, point-to-point bracing, designed with computer-aided precision to reinforce the structural integrity of the cabinet. This reduces unwanted vibrations and ensures the enclosure remains silent, allowing the speakers to focus on delivering a clear and accurate stereo image. The sensitivity rating of 88 dB ensures they work well with most amplifiers, making them a versatile choice for any audio system. Whether you're listening to music or watching movies, the KEF LS50 speakers offer an engaging and dynamic audio experience. The 3020i's larger cabinet size means more depth and bass, while still keeping the treble bright and dynamic. Whether you're listening to a delicate acoustic performance or a full-blown orchestral piece, the KEF LS30 delivers a balanced and engaging listening experience. In second place, we have the KEF R3 Meta, a premium option for audiophiles seeking a next-level listening experience. With KEF's advanced metamaterial absorption technology, these speakers significantly reduce distortion, allowing you to hear even the finest details in your favorite tracks. Sharing the same advanced drivers as the flagship R11 Meta, the R3 Meta is a true three-way speaker that brings power and precision to your home audio setup. At the heart of the R3 Meta is KEF's groundbreaking 12th generation UniQ driver array, featuring metamaterial absorption technology, MAT. This technology absorbs 99% of unwanted sound, resulting in the most pure and natural audio reproduction. Whether you're listening to music or movies, the clarity and accuracy of the sound will astound you. The 6.5-inch hybrid aluminum bass driver pushes the boundaries of bass performance, delivering deep, controlled low frequencies that add depth and impact to any audio track. Paired with a UniQ driver, the R3 Meta produces a seamless, full-range sound that fills the room with rich, immersive audio. With a frequency response of 58 Hz to 28 kHz, the R3 Meta captures every detail in your music, from the tightest bass lines to the crispest highs. Whether you're enjoying hi-fi music or high-definition movie soundtracks, these speakers deliver an incredibly dynamic and lifelike sound experience. These finishes not only look stunning, but also reflect the speaker's high-end craftsmanship. S2 speaker stands complete the premium aesthetic and optimized performance. The KEF R3 Meta has a three-way design, featuring separate drivers for bass, mid-range, and treble. This results in stunning clarity and punchy bass, making them perfect for those who demand precision in every note. It's high-end audio at its finest. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the KEF LS50 Meta, the ultimate bookshelf speaker for 2024. If you want the best of the best, these speakers deliver in spades. They use the same metamaterial absorption technology as the KEF R3, but with a more compact design that fits perfectly in any room. Featuring KEF's groundbreaking metamaterial absorption technology, MAT, these speakers absorb 99% of unwanted sound from the rear of the driver, providing an incredibly pure and natural listening experience. At the core of the LS50 Meta is KEF's renowned 12th generation UniQ driver, offering a 40% improvement in smoothness compared to previous models. This cutting-edge driver ensures flawless sound dispersion, filling your room with rich, detailed audio that remains consistent no matter where you sit. thanks to driver performance optimization and an ultra-low total harmonic distortion (THD) of just 0.07%. The LS50 Meta produces enhanced sonic performance with reduced distortion and coloration. The result is cleaner, more accurate sound reproduction that brings every note, beat, and vocal to life. With a frequency range of 47 Hz to 45 kHz, -6 dB, the LS50 Meta captures an impressive spectrum of sound, from deep, punchy bass to crystal-clear highs. Whether you're playing your favorite songs or watching movies, these speakers deliver a dynamic and immersive audio experience. The sleek, modern design pairs beautifully with any decor while complementing the speaker's high-performance engineering. The LS50 Meta offers an incredibly transparent sound with outstanding imaging and depth, making them perfect for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Whether you're into classical, rock, jazz, or pop, the KEF LS50 Meta brings out the best in every genre. And there you have it, the top 5 best bookshelf speakers in 2024. Whether you're on a budget or looking to invest in a premium sound system, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more product recommendations, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.